Hey, I'm Jonathan Stark, back with some more Consulting 101 advice. This time, how to make the connections you need to get your solo consulting business off the ground. First, pick a target market. This could be a vertical like pediatric dentists, or it could be a demographic like divorcees over 40, or it could be a psychographic like extreme sports adrenaline junkies. Doesn't really matter who you pick as long as it's specific enough to give people a Rolodex moment when they hear who your target market is. Second, find their watering holes. Where are the people in your target market talking shop? The watering hole could be online, like a Slack community or a LinkedIn group or a subreddit, or it could be in person, like trade shows, industry events, or networking groups. Third, uncover their expensive problems. Look or listen in the watering hole to uncover your target market's expensive problems. These are the things that they're up nights worrying about. What are their hopes, dreams, worries, and fears? The clue you're looking for is emotionally charged language, things like hate or crazy or nightmare or help or anything like that, where people are using language where they are clearly struggling with something that's bothering them. Once you find someone you might be able to help in this group, go ahead and do it for free with empathy and a spirit of generosity. Remember, at this point, you are not trying to make money, you are trying to make connections. Building relationships is a long game, and if you can do some of this before you go solo, it's going to serve you well.